Number 20, point O is the center of a circle. All right, so right off the bat, I'm going to draw a circle, and there's point O. The measure of arc RS on the circle is 100 degrees. Okay, so if I start here for R, whoa, it hates me writing points. How dare you write a point? Just can't take it. Points. Right, so if R is there and the arc on this circle is 100 degrees, arcs can be measured in degrees. I know some people have a real problem with this. I've gotten some comments with people telling me, you're so wrong, Mark. Arcs can't be measured in degrees. They can. I'm sorry. I'm not sure why it's such a thing, but it is. I've had this multiple times. Arcs can be measured in degrees. It's telling you what proportion, what portion of the circle it is. So a whole way around is 360 degrees. So it's 100 of those 360 degrees. It's more of a proportion than it is. Just like with an angle, we're saying, you know, if we're starting here, we're going like, what proportion of 360 degrees is it? It's the exact same thing. It's not saying how long it is. It's saying what portion of the circle. So, and it's going to look like if you drew a 100-degree angle, more on this in a second, that arc is going to be like where that 100-degree angle hit the circle. So my point S is probably around here somewhere. That's point S. And this will give me this arc RS that is 100 degrees. Now it's saying, what is the measure in degrees of its associated angle ROS? Now, going by what I just said, where it's like if you had a 100-degree angle, and where it would hit would be that 100-degree arc, you're probably guessing that this is 100 degrees, and you're right, it is. The rule for this is it's called a central angle, an angle that has its vertex in the center or on the center of the circle, on that center point. The arc that it intercepts, the intercepted arc, the arc that it's eating, is going to be the same degree measure. Always. Always, always, always. The other one, which I've seen sometimes on the SAT, is if you have an inscribed angle. If it was like this, if this was our scenario, and this was 100 degrees, when the point of the angle is on the circle, not in the center, that's called an inscribed angle. It is half the arc. So in this case, there would be 50 degrees. Always. And it doesn't, it's maybe hard to kind of comprehend. You kind of have to play around with it to see it. So like if I had these 2 points, it doesn't matter if the angle is there or the angle is there or the angle is there. It's always going to be 50. It's kind of hard to wrap your brain around without actually seeing it in action, but it is. Those are 2 very common theorems, inscribed angles and central angles, that come up on the SAT. Again, this one is a central angle. It will always match. Since the arc is 100, the central angle is also 100. 100 is my answer. Boom. Hey guys, just a quick heads up. I've got some cool stuff coming for y'all, including a free course full of SAT tips and tricks, as well as an exhaustively complete course on everything you need to know for the SAT, both math and reading. So subscribe to the channel to get notified when that goes live. I'm also going to put it in the comments and description below as soon as it does. In the meantime, if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.